Hello everybody, it's Tacos Tackers, and today we're going to show you how to make a LED alight and connect the switch to it. You will need a LED, a mini momentary switch, a couple of batteries, wires. This is optional, it's a clip thing, and tape. Okay, so let's get started. I'll just hook this up to this clip thing just to make it easier to solder. Oh, and by the way, you will need a soldering gun. Okay, so first solder in the solder to the both connection points. Then connect one of the wires to one of the connection pulls on the switch. Then connect one of the wires to the other connection pull. We're almost done. We need to connect these two wires together. Just to extend it. Okay, so now we need to connect the batteries to the plus and the negative wires. So just try it out. Okay, so now I'm just testing it, and as you can see, it works. Maybe it's a little hard to see. Okay, so we know that it works now, so I'm going to secure this with electrical tape. Make a tight fit. And now we're done. As we press the switch, the LED turns on. So that's it for this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll be sure to upload much more content.